slimes. We're eating flies and ketchup. We're hiding from the wives. This is my friend. His name is Ed, and he's a plumber. He's got some jewelry and a Timex watch. He's wearing bowling shoes with big, big numbers. He doesn't mind it when we call him Sasquatch. This is a pinball. This is a gumball. And in the corner sits a trophy shelf. I can't believe that I have to point these things out. These things that you could figure out yourself. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up and bowl! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up and bowl! He's telling us things we already know. So shut up! Shut up! Shut up and bowl! Just repetition. We're taking aim and we're knocking down pins. We're working in frames, but we're not painting anything. We throw the ball and then we do it all again. I make a living and I overstate the obvious. I wear big clothes and I act a little odd. Some African rhythm, some Hercules emotion. Put out a video and they think that I'm God. This is a wallet. This is a checkbook. I'm writing names and I'm filling in blanks. I keep my eyes down. I try to look serious. I'm only laughing all the way to the... You guessed it. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up and bowl! Just shut up! Shut up! Shut up and bowl! He's telling us things we already know. So shut up! Shut up! Shut up and bowl! Put me down! You guys are psycho. Catch your say. 1, 2, 3. We're knocking down pins.